Brazilian waxing for busy moms. Time-saving tips. Are you a mom who feels like there's never enough time? Between work, kids, and chores, self-care seems impossible. What if you could feel fresh and smooth in under 30 minutes? Today, we'll share time-saving Brazilian waxing tips for busy moms. Life as a mom is non-stop, right? There's always something demanding your attention. School drop-offs, work deadlines, groceries, it's endless. In all that chaos, self-care often takes a back seat. But making time for yourself isn't a luxury, it's essential. When you feel good, you show up better in every role. So, what exactly is a Brazilian wax? It's a hair removal method for your bikini area. It removes most or all hair from the front and back. The process usually takes just 15 to 30 minutes. Yes, it can sting, but it gets easier each time. The results: weeks of smooth, clean skin. No daily shaving, no razor bumps, just confidence and comfort. Perfect for summer vacations and feeling great. Let's talk about saving time with your waxing routine. Tip 1. Book your next appointment before leaving. Tip 2. Use a salon app for tracking and reminders. Tip 3. Find salons with flexible hours or mobile services. These small changes can save you hours each month. Not all waxing salons are equal. Choose a salon with trained and certified technicians. Read online reviews to learn from other moms. Ask friends or family for trusted recommendations. Always check for cleanliness and hygiene practices. Aftercare is just as crucial as the waxing itself. Use fragrance-free soothing lotion or aloe to calm skin. Avoid hot baths, saunas, and tight clothing for 24 hours. Gently exfoliate a few days later to prevent ingrown hairs. These steps help keep your skin healthy and glowing. Remember, making time for yourself is self-love. Brazilian waxing can be quick and effective for your busy schedule. When you feel good, you show up stronger for your family. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, share it with another supermom who needs this advice. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more health and beauty tips.